Okay, so about 2 years ago, no wait, probably about 3 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, my parents disowned me, and this holiday, my girlfriend wants to spend time with her family, and I don't really want to spend time with her family. So basically what all that equates to is me being alone for a couple of days this holiday. So I'm doing a bit of a trip alone. Basically doing in South Africa it's called the Transkei. I don't know what they call it now. After apartheid fell, it's probably got a new name. I'm not sure what that name is. But yeah, I'm basically doing the Transkei. I'm going from place to place and yeah, just experiencing the countryside. It's very rural here. Even though, yeah, most of South Africa there's signal everywhere, there's ATMs everywhere, you can pay with a credit card everywhere. But yeah, it's not the case. Yeah, it's very much back to basics, down to earth, which is awesome. It's like proper adventure. So at the moment I'm walking to a waterfall. I'm not actually sure if I'm on the right route. I think so. They said get on this path and follow it. But at this moment, I don't know, it's starting to look less and less like a path. So let's see where I come out. And apparently there's two waterfalls. There's a little one and a big one. The little one is easy to get to. The big one apparently you have to do some climbing and go to the bushes and stuff. So I'll see if I can get to the big one. Obviously, if you just think of photography and cinematography and stuff, you want to get to the big one. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get to the big one. This is definitely the right path to the waterfall. I can hear it and it sounds amazing. Sounds like a pretty big one. Maybe the small one is big enough and we don't have to do the big one. So I found something very interesting. There's not a lot of bugs and stuff around. It's a pretty quiet place. But then there's this one bush that's covered in grasshoppers. There's a lot of other bushes like it, except this one. Check this out. What is going on here? Why? Why do they like this bush so much? Next to it, there's another bush, exactly the same type, but no grasshoppers. I think I scared them. Going everywhere. Well, I don't really read arrow very well, but I think this arrow says that the waterfall is that way. What do you think? Maybe that's what it means. I can see it. It's there. But I can't get to it. So there it is, right between the trees. It's there. But how do we get there? I think we understood the arrow correctly, because it's going down now, pretty steep. I mean, look at that. It just goes down, and then down there. That's where the path is, behind that bush. Okay, let's do this. Wow. Okay. If the footage just cuts out, it means that I've tripped and fell. Sure. It's not the easiest climbing down a mountain. Well, needing both your hands, but using with the other hand to hold a vlogging camera. And I'm not exactly vlogging on the traditional gorilla pod. I'm vlogging on a glide cam, so this thing's quite heavy. It's definitely a good workout. Yo. Okay. We got down to water level, but still not close to waterfall. And there's stuff all over. It's like spider webs, and I think I swallowed a couple of spiders. Some nutrition at least. I think I'm gonna need it. I can see it. Okay. I guess this is the smaller waterfall, but it being easy, I think the definition is slightly off. But let's have a look. I really don't think I'm gonna have energy for the big one. Maybe after a swim, who knows? Okay, that feels a bit slippery. Okay, that was close. I actually slipped and I basically just jumped for it and I kept on moving. And eventually I ended up on a dry rock, but that was pretty close. Okay. At least it looks a bit easier from here on going forward. It's basically just this. That's quite manageable. Woohoo! We found it! I need a swim, like badly. Wow. Yes, it's cold. Swim. Keep warm. Just swim. Keep warm. Holy shit, the current pushing me back. Can't get closer. Wow. Okay. It's time to say goodbye to the lovely waterfall. Okay, now for some drone shots. I've already, as you know, if you have a drone, one of the things you always need to do before you fly it is sort of plan the path you want to fly, plan a couple of the shots. And I've already looked at a couple of shots that I can do. So just from coming down here, and I think it's a good idea to, whenever you do something like this in the future, to first go to, explore the area first a little and then take the drone out. Two of the reasons is obviously so that you can get better shots. Well, that's the first reason. The second reason is that you know if there's cables or trees or branches or anything like that that you might not be able to see if you through the viewfinder on the drone, because sometimes, especially when it's bright conditions, you don't see cables. You'll fly. Almost crashed my drone the other day. There was a cable, I didn't see it. Only afterwards, when I looked at the footage, I was like, ooh, I just missed the cable. So yeah, climbing all the way back up, and then we'll do the drone thing. time to head back. It was a nice day, it was a nice day. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. This is Steven signing out. Remember to subscribe. Till next time, ciao.